Your thumbnail is the most important part of your entire video. Not your script, not your editing, not your title, your thumbnail. Because nobody watches a video they never clicked on. And right now, there's a very good chance your thumbnails are silently killing your channel. Not dramatically, not obviously, just quietly pushing viewers away every single day. In this video, I'm breaking down the 6 thumbnail mistakes that are destroying your click-through rate, and exactly how to fix every single one of them. Most creators think a good thumbnail is about looking professional. Nice colors, clean design, maybe a fancy font. Wrong. A good thumbnail has one job. 1. Make a stranger stop scrolling and click. That's it. And the difference between a thumbnail that gets clicked and one that gets ignored comes down to 6 very specific mistakes. Let's go through them one by one. Too much text. If your thumbnail has more than 5 words on it, it's already failing. Viewers decide in under 2 seconds whether to click. They don't read, they react. Long sentences, full questions, multiple lines of text. All of it creates friction, and friction kills clicks. The best thumbnails in the world use 3 words or less, sometimes just 1. Cut your text down. Make every word earn its place. No clear focal point. Open your thumbnail and squint at it. What's the first thing your eye lands on? If the answer is nothing or everything, you have a problem. Every great thumbnail has one dominant element that pulls the eye immediately. One face, one object, one bold word, one clear moment. Everything else in the frame should support that focal point, not compete with it. If your thumbnail is busy, cluttered, or balanced, redesign it around one thing. Your face shows no emotion. This one is for creators who use their face in thumbnails. A neutral expression is invisible. YouTube is a scroll. Viewers are moving fast. The only faces that stop the scroll are extreme ones. Shock, disbelief, excitement, confusion, fear. If your face in the thumbnail could pass for a passport photo, it won't get clicked. Go bigger. Go more expressive. Feel uncomfortable doing it. That discomfort is usually the sweet spot. Your thumbnail and title say the same thing. This is one of the most common mistakes small creators make. Your thumbnail and title are a team. They should work together to create curiosity, not repeat each other. If your title says, "I tried posting every day for 30 days," and your thumbnail also says, "30-day challenge," you've wasted half your click power. Instead, let them complete each other. Title says the what. Thumbnail shows the reaction, or thumbnail asks the question. Title hints at the answer. Together, they create a gap the viewer needs to close by clicking. Ignoring contrast and color. Your thumbnail lives on a white or dark background surrounded by dozens of other thumbnails. If your colors blend into that background, you disappear. The highest performing thumbnails use bold contrast. Bright colors against dark backgrounds. Dark text on bright fills. A single pop of color that stands out from everything around it. Look at your thumbnail next to 5 competitors in your niche. Does it stand out or blend in? If you can't immediately spot yours, neither can your viewer. No consistency across your channel. This last one doesn't just affect individual videos, it affects your entire channel. When a viewer lands on your channel page and sees 10 completely different thumbnail styles, they don't feel the brand, they feel chaos. And chaos doesn't get subscriptions. The biggest channels on YouTube have a thumbnail style so consistent you can recognize them without even reading the name. Pick a color palette, pick a font, pick a layout structure, and stick to it across every single video. Consistency builds recognition. Recognition builds trust. Trust builds subscribers. Here's what I want you to remember. You don't need to be a designer to fix your thumbnails. You need to be intentional. Less text. One focal point. Real emotion. Thumbnail and title working together. Bold contrast. And a consistent style across your channel. Fix those 6 things and your CTR will climb. And when your CTR climbs, YouTube starts showing your video to more people. And when more people see it, everything else follows. Your thumbnail isn't just a pretty picture. It's the door to everything you're building. Make it impossible to ignore. If this helped you hit that like button, it helps more creators find this video. Subscribe for honest YouTube growth advice every week.